Northern Standard Moon. The earth began its tale. Life thrives with each other in the lush rainforest. Horses gallop on the grassland. The earth brims with life. Hot splashes with the thermal energy. Blue algae dance in the water, rhyming with the pulse of earth. Mycelium spread in all directions, weaving a web of life. Veins and solar panels both work to utilize solar energy. Sunflowers turn to follow the sun, showcasing that life cannot survive without the sun. Wings and turbines play the wind's melodic tune. Wind inspires the life to dance on its own rhythm, cleaning the stream for fish to migrate, ensuring the smooth circle of life. Waste straw is transformed into green power. People learn from beetles in developing clean energy, researching photosynthesis to unlock the code for future energy. The true progress comes from mutual learning of humans and nature. Nature and human civilization step into the future hand in hand. Diversity is the key to a world we will eventually achieve. The harmony between humans